Hello and welcome to another episode from Bar Security. Today I'm going to have to pin up some multi-lock padlocks. They were supposed to have come in from multi-lock pinned up, but for some reason they've sent them out in parts and haven't pinned them up, which is a bit ridiculous really. Right, so these are the NE10s. They've got a slightly longer shackle than the norm. These are the padlocks here. These are the padlocks here. What I've got to do is I've got to put all these parts together, but before I do that I've got to pin up. Okay, so first thing I need to do is I need to strip this down. That I need my small bottom of the box. Okay. Thankfully they're still in service, so I can easily break them down with my service key. There she goes. Bar through. Now, there's always a little ball bearing in these. You need to be careful not to lose it. And the first pin is always going to be the same. That's how they work. Oh, look at that. Peach. We've actually got some pins in there that are actually the same, which is great. So, pinning is, so I need a C. Now, multi-lock uses telescopic type pins, so you got like a small pin inside a larger pin. Let's see if I get that to focus for you. There you go. That's a 3. That's now pinned. Just pop it all back together, not forgetting our little ball bearing. Oops. Trouble with ball bearings, they fall out. Okay, it's in. There we go. So it's now settled. Let's just pop it back together. It's very easy to put together because it only goes one way. There's no circlip with these, they're held in by these tiny little screws on the back plate. The older ones used to have circlips. I guess they want to cut costs a little bit. Try our key. It's now working. Popping this together. Then we've got to put our other section together. Okay. This little slot goes in that way. Use the tweezers to get it into place. There she goes. The spring sits in there like so. Fairly simple design. And as you can see, you've got that reciprocal there, just slots in. Okay. You can just see that there, hopefully. Inside, got your plate. Slots in like so. Now allows you to open, and inside you've got your ball bearings. So the next thing now we need to do is we need to put our oh, fell out. Typical. Right. Should we do this again? Being awkward. See, in here you've got a round reciprocal piece with a hole in it. It has to sit in the right place. This little piece here also has to sit in the hole, which slots in to hold this all in place. It can be a little bit awkward to pop in. There she goes. So that's now slotted into place. I don't know if you can see inside there. Okay, so I'm going to slot this back in again. There it goes, it's in position. I'm going to hold it in place. Go unlock it so that we can move the bit up there out of the way. And we'll pop this little piece here in. It slots into the slot. And we can lock up the padlock.
On the pin plug,
Pop the little retaining screw in. And that locks that all in place. So now our padlock is now almost done. What we've got to do now is just pop our rubber over the top. Which is quite tight. I'll do this from the bottom actually. I don't like these. Should just stretch over. It can be difficult. That's pretty tight. That's so it doesn't fall off. That's our padlock there. Finally done.